If you're looking for the best new Breitling watches based on specifications, you're in the right place. All the watches buying links are given in the video description. Number 8. Breitling Superocean Automatic 44 A17376211 L2S1. Bezel unidirectional ratcheted. Crown screw locked. 2 gaskets. Crystal cambered sapphire. Glare proofed both sides. Dimensions: product weight 141 grams, watch head weight 90.5 grams, diameter 44 millimeters, thickness 12.6 millimeters, height 50.5 millimeters, lug width 22 millimeters. Strap material: rubber, strap color black, strap type straight lug 22/18 millimeters. Buckle material: stainless steel. Buckle type: folding clasp. Buckle size: 18 millimeters. Number 7. Breitling Superocean Kelly Slater Limited Edition A173751A101S1. Movement: self-winding mechanical. Power reserve: approximately 38 hours. Vibration: 28,800 VPH. Jewels: 26 jewels. Case material: stainless steel. Case back: screwed in. Water resistance: 300 meters, 1,000 feet. Bezel unidirectional, ratcheted. Crown screw locked. 2 gaskets. Crystal cambered sapphire, glare proofed both sides. Dimensions: product weight approximately 133 grams. Watch head weight approximately 81.7 grams. Diameter 42 millimeters. Thickness 12.5 millimeters. Height 47.7 millimeters. Lug width 22 millimeters. Strap material: rubber. Strap color: green. Strap type: straight. Lug 22/18 millimeters. Buckle material: stainless steel. Buckle type: folding clasp. Buckle size: 18 millimeters. Number 6. Breitling Super Chronomat 38 R173565331G1S1. Screwed in. Water resistance: 10 bars. Bezel unidirectional, ratcheted. Crown non-screw locked. 2 gaskets. Crystal convex sapphire crystal. Glare proofed both sides. Dimensions: product weight 120.5 grams. Watch head weight 98.8 grams. Diameter 38 millimeters. Thickness 11.8 millimeters. Height 45.4 millimeters. Lug width 20 millimeters. Strap material: rubber. White strap. Type: straight lug 20/18 millimeters. Buckle material: small scale traceable gold. Buckle type: tang type. Buckle size: 18 millimeters. Number 5. Breitling Chronomat Automatic GMT 40 A3239811A1A1. Self-winding mechanical. 2NF time zone 24 hour. Power reserve approximately 42 hours. Vibration 28,800 VPH. Jewel 21 jewels. Calendar. Dial aperture. Case material: stainless steel. Case back screwed in. Water resistance: 200 meters, 660 feet. Bezel: unidirectional ratcheted rotating bezel. Crown screw locked. 2 gaskets. Crystal cambered sapphire. Glare proofed both sides. Dimensions: product weight approximately 153 grams. Watch head weight approximately 75.2 grams. Diameter 40 millimeters. Thickness 11.7 millimeters. Height 47.4 millimeters. Lug width 20 millimeters. Strap material: stainless steel. Strap color: metal bracelet. Strap type: straight. Lug 20/18 millimeters. Number 4. Breitling Navitimer Automatic 41 Limited Edition A173263A1G1P1. water resistance, 3 bars, bezel, bidirectional slide rule, crown, non-screw locked, 2 gaskets, crystal camber sapphire, glare-proofed both sides, dimensions, product weight, approximately 73 grams, watch head weight, approximately 60.6 grams, diameter, 41 millimeters, thickness, 10 millimeters, height, 47.9 millimeters, lug width, 22 millimeters, strap material, alligator leather, strap color, blue, strap type, straight, lug, 22/20 millimeters, buckle material, stainless steel, buckle type, tang type, buckle size, 20 millimeters. Number 3. Breitling Navitimer B01 Swiss Limited Edition, case size, 41 millimeters, case material, stainless steel, case back, open, strap material, alligator, strap color, black, buckle type, folding clasp, reference, AB01395A1B1P1, case size, 41 millimeters, case material, stainless steel, movement, automatic, caliber, Breitling manufacturer caliber 01, in-house, power reserve, 70 hours, functions, hours, minutes, chronograph, date, small seconds, water resistance, 30 millimeters / 3 bar, a partnership with Swiss to mark the iconic Navitimer's 70th anniversary. The watch is available exclusively on board Swiss in-flight shopping on JFK, EWR, LAX, and HKG routes. Each purchase comes with a certificate that is filled out by hand by the respective pilot. Number 2. Breitling Top Time Do A23311-2A1A1X1. Movement, self-winding mechanical, power reserve, approximately 48 hours, chronograph, 1/4 second, 30 minutes, vibration, 28,800 VPH, jewel, 27 joules, case material, stainless steel, case back, snapped, water resistance, 3 bars, crown, non-screw locked, 1 gasket, crystal, convex sapphire crystal, glare-proofed both sides, dimensions, product weight, approximately 97 grams, watch head weight, approximately 86.8 grams, diameter, 41 millimeters, thickness, 14.2 millimeters, height, 51.5 millimeters, lug width, 20 millimeters, strap material, calfskin leather, strap color, brown, strap type, straight, lug, 20/18 millimeters, buckle material, stainless steel, buckle type, folding clasp / buckle, size, 18 millimeters. Number 1. Breitling Navitimer Boeing 747 AB01383B1G1P1. Self-winding mechanical, power reserve, approximately 70 hours, chronograph, 1/4 second, 30 minutes, 12 hours, vibration, 28,800 VPH, jewel, 47 joules, calendar, dial aperture, case material, stainless steel, case back, screwed in sapphire crystal, water resistance, 3 bars, bezel, bidirectional slide rule, crown, non-screw locked, 2 gaskets, crystal, camber sapphire, glare-proofed both sides, dimensions, product weight approximately 98 grams, watch head weight approximately 76 grams, diameter 43 millimeters, thickness 13.6 millimeters, height 49 millimeters, lug width 22 millimeters, strap material, alligator leather, strap color, black, strap type, straight, lug 22/18 millimeters, buckle material, stainless steel, buckle type, folding clasp, buckle size 18 millimeters.